The reason that we requested the flag be flown over the Capitol was just to commemorate the 100 years of the Toreador, now the Daily Toreador service to the Texas Tech community. Jody Arrington's office organized that for us, and the flag actually flew over the Capitol in D.C. on October 3rd, which was exactly 100 years since the day we first published here on campus.
The flying of the flag was representative of not only the freedoms that we have as students to do this, but also the longevity of student reporting and student journalism. We're in the centennial year of the Daily Toreador, 100 years of serving the student body. And I think that especially this Student Press Freedom Day holds a lot more significance than others, because it's not only that we are an independent student-run newspaper that represents the freedom of the press, but we have been serving the student body for 100 years.
I think it's very important to have students involved in the folding of the flag, and to have the Air Force ROTC representatives coming over and helping us with that was just really great. We could have reached out to someone off campus, but I would rather have students be part of our celebration.
Growing up, I'm an Eagle Scout. I've always had a very deep reverence for the flag. I think that a lot of people should. It's a representation of unity, representation of our independence, our freedom of the press, freedom of speech, and I hold all those things very deep into my heart, into my morality and my ethics, because we could have just folded it ourselves. And I think that I really wanted collaboration across the student body, because the Daily Toreador is the mouthpiece of the student body, and I think involving other students in what we do, whether we're handing out donuts at the sub, or if we bring in the Texas Tech ROTC program to come and fold our flag reverently, I think is very important, to not only respect the flag, but also show our connection to the community and our reliance on the community to not only give us information, but for us to voice their opinions in their situations.
I think that by having this flag framed and permanently affixed in our newsroom will be a great reminder for people, 10, 20, 50 years from now, maybe 100 years from now. If it's hanging in the newsroom for students, I think it'll be encouragement to keep that going. And I think it's a very important part of the university and, of course, this college as well.